You can customize your TIBCO WebFOCUS environment by using favorites. The Favorites feature provides a convenient and fast way to find and use your favorite content without having to search for it. On the WebFOCUS Start page, favorites appear in the Favorites view of the home area. Favorites can be reports, graphs, hyperlinks, reporting objects, and other item types. You can add items to favorites from Home, Workspaces, and Portals areas of the Start page. To designate an item as a favorite, right-click the item and click Add to Favorites. To remove an item as a favorite, right-click the item and click Remove from Favorites. You can interact with favorite items once they are saved. If you right-click an item, you can view and edit its properties. You can also select from additional options such as Run or Schedule, depending on the file type. To learn more, search for TIBCO WebFOCUS at docs.tibco.com.